I have here the KitchenAid food chopper, which is a small piece of equipment that is extremely useful in our everyday kitchen for chopping, pureeing, doing a number of sauces, baby foods, etc. It comes with a 3.5 BPA free bowl ideally, which is convenient to use, dishwasher safe and also safe for baby foods. If you see, it has two operations, the chop and puree, also symbolized by a 1 and 2. It's easy to use in the sense it's very ergonomically designed, so it allows you to operate with one hand. It's very often that when we're blending or chopping something, we have the tendency to hold the cap and press the buttons, even though we know the cap's not really going to blow up, but it's just a safety precaution we take. But to make it easier, KitchenAid put the operations on top, so you hold it with one hand and you operate it with the same as well. Over here we have a wet ingredient adder, so any recipe like a mayonnaise or an emulsion that calls for drizzling in oil slowly or in a steady stream can be poured in and it falls drop by drop into the bowl. Another good thing about this bowl is it provides easy pouring out of all ingredients, so when you turn it out, the blade doesn't fall out. You ideally need to pull it out for it to come out. This micro-serrated blade is extremely unique in its design and allows for a very even chop and fine puree. I'm going to use the food chopper today to make a little pesto. I've got all my ingredients here. I'm going to start with the basil. Some Parmesan cheese. Some walnuts and just a few cloves of garlic. I'm going to idly use the chop function first to chop the pesto and then add in the oil. What's great is you can also use it to pulse. So if you're not looking at an absolutely fine chop and you want that little bits and specks in your pesto, all you do is pulse. I've got a nice, very even chop and I'm now going to pour in my oil. Once I've added in the oil, I'm only going to pulse it because I don't want a puree, I just want the pesto to come together. I can twist it off the base and pour it into my container without having to worry about the blade falling out. And this pesto is good to use with any kind of pasta or in dressings or to top over your pizzas.